Hey, you know what's wild? Most intermediate learners can describe a 5-course meal, but they freeze up when someone asks them to explain how they actually made it. Today we're breaking down 4 food mistakes that instantly reveal your level. And I promise, once you hear these corrections, you'll never unsee them. Let's go. Mistake number 1. Saying, I cooked a dinner, instead of, I made dinner. Here's why this is wrong. You don't cook a dinner. That's weird. Native speakers say, I made dinner, or, I cooked dinner. No article. But here's the confusing part. You can say, I made a 3-course meal, or, I cooked a lasagna. The difference? Dinner is an event or mealtime, not a countable dish. Think of it like this. You make the meal, but you cook specific foods. Wrong. I cooked a nice dinner last night. Correct. I made a nice dinner last night. Or, I cooked a nice pasta last night. See the difference? Okay. Mistake number 2 sounds obvious, but you'd be shocked how often learners make this one. Don't say, I ate the recipe. You eat food. You follow a recipe. Or you make something from a recipe. This mistake happens because learners are thinking about the process, not the actual noun. You're not eating instructions. You're eating the result. Wrong. I ate this amazing recipe yesterday. Correct. I made this amazing recipe yesterday. And it was delicious. Or, I followed this new recipe for chocolate cake. Bonus. If you want to talk about tasting food, say, I tried, instead. I tried this new recipe. Sounds way more natural than, I ate the recipe. Here's a sneaky one. You can't cook everything. Cooking means using heat to prepare food. But if you're just heating something up, like leftovers, you reheat it, or you warm it up. Don't say, I'm cooking the leftover pizza. That's technically not cooking. That's reheating. Native speakers notice this. Wrong. I'm cooking the soup from yesterday. Correct. I'm reheating the soup from yesterday. Or, I'm warming up the soup. Now, if you're making soup from scratch, that's cooking. But if it already exists and you're just heating it, use reheat or warm up. This is a small distinction, but it separates intermediate from advanced speakers. Mistake number 4. Wrong verbs with ingredients. You don't add ingredients into a bowl. You add ingredients to a bowl. This is about prepositions, but it's important. Also, you mix ingredients together. You don't mix ingredients. And here's the big one. You don't put ingredients. You add them. Wrong. Mix all the ingredients and put them to the bowl. Correct. Mix all the ingredients together and add them to the bowl. One more. You combine ingredients. You blend ingredients. You stir ingredients. But you always add them to something, not into something. Well, actually, you can say into in casual speech, but to is more standard. Native speakers say, add the eggs to the mixture, not add the eggs into the mixture. That one small word matters. Bonus tip. Native speakers say, from scratch, all the time. I made this cake from scratch means you made it completely yourself without using pre-made stuff. Not from the beginning. From scratch. That's the phrase. Alright, here's what we covered. 1. Make dinner, not cook a dinner. 2. You follow recipes. You don't eat them. 3. Reheat or warm up leftovers. Don't say you're cooking them. And 4. Add ingredients to the bowl, not into. Start using these corrections today, and I guarantee people will notice you sound more natural. Drop a comment telling me which mistake you've been making. See you next time.